Okay, welcome back. In this example, we will see how we can connect more than two tables in a single select statement using joins. So we can see that we have two tables and we can extract eCode first name, last name, hire date, and project name from these two tables using inner join that we have already discussed. I'll write down select e dot eCode, e dot first name, e dot last name, and e dot hire date, and then p dot project name. So these four columns will come from employee table and this project name will come from project table. And write down from employee table inner join project table on p dot decode p dot decode. Now select the statement and click on execute button. We can see that we have a data set that contain eCode, first name, last name, hire date, and project name from both the tables. Now, if we see, we can see that we have department ID in this table and we have a department table. This is department ID, this is department name, and this is LOB. So in the same query, if we want to show the department name and LOB also, then we can join this third table here also. And we can see that the matching column between department table and the employee table is department ID. So we will write down inner join department table. And now give the name of the column which is common between table EMP and table department. So we will write down on e dot department ID is equal to d dot department ID. Okay. Now we can write down the name which we want to extract from the department table. So write down d dot department name and d dot. So this way we have joined three tables. This table is joined with project table on eCode, and the third table department is joined with table EMP on department ID. These four columns are coming from table EMP, project name is coming from project table, and these two columns are coming from table department. Now we will select the statement and click on execute button, and we can see that we have rest of the two columns also in our dataset. So we have successfully added these two columns also using the inner join. Okay, now if we see the project table, we can see that we have a function ID and we have a division table where we can find the division. So if we want to include the division name also in our select statement, we can do it. What we have to do, we have to combine this table with the project table on function ID, because function ID is common between these two tables. It is available in division table also and it is available in project table also. So again we will write down inner join this, I'll call it as DV. Okay, and now give the matching column between table project and table division. So p dot function ID is dv dot function ID. And now we can write down the name of the column we want to extract from table division. So dv dot division. So this way we have combined 1, 2, 3, and 4 table. All the tables are linked to each other using a common key. And once we are able to identify the common key and we are writing down the matching condition, then we can extract the column name from that particular table. And if now I select this statement and click on execute button, we can see that we have division also. And this is how we can join the multiple tables. The very important thing to notice is that there should be at least one common column between two tables, and on the basis of the common column we will combine the multiple tables and we will create our select statement. And for the sake of simplicity, I just use the inner join. We can have the left join and the full outer join, depends upon the requirement. I was looking for the matching record, that's why I applied the inner join. If we want matching and non-matching record from single table or both the tables, we can apply left, right, or full outer join, depends upon the requirement. So this is how we can combine the multiple tables in inner join using the common column. Thank you for watching this video.